guys, it's Steve here from the Evergreen Marketing Academy, and this is a quick video which is going to sort of follow on into a video tutorial. Now, I sent out an email to my subscribers, so you included in the last couple of days, and I talked about using the AWeber the email builder to create HTML style emails and custom looking emails, if you like, rather than the standard plain text emails that are generally sort of flooding the marketplace. Wanted to make my emails look different. I wanted them to stand out, and I wanted them to look professional instead of a bunch of copy and paste style text that you see a lot of other marketers doing. Now, that email seemed to go down really well. I got quite a few responses to that email asking me how did I do it. So I generally thought this was probably something that anybody with an autoresponder account would know that was there, and that they could they at least have tried to use it. So what I've done here is I've got a quick little video that's going to follow on from this, that's going to show you how I use the AWeber sort of drag and drop editor to create custom style fancy and professional looking emails. So I hope you find this video useful, and you can use it in your own business, like I say, to help distinguish you from your competitors and make yourself stand out from the crowd as well. So hope you enjoy. Leave your comments and any ratings or whatever you want to give feedback below this video, and I'll get in touch with you personally to respond to any questions that you might have. Okay, so here's the video. I hope you enjoy.
Hey guys, it's Steve here, and as we're now on the screen, I can now show you how I use the AWeber sort of HTML drag and drop style email builder. So I'm logged into my email account, my AWeber account I should say, and this is your homepage, if you like. So it tells you your subscribers and so on, and just below this you've got your list of your various lists and how many subscribers and so on you've got on there. But this is the button here that I use. It's called Create a Broadcast, and you should have this once you're signed in as well. And obviously, depending on which list you're going to send your email to, you want to make sure that your current list setup here in the top blue banner is the list that you're using. So, for example, the email I sent out the other day was to my 30-day challenge subscribers, as well as a few other subscriber lists that I have as well. So this is the list. I'm just going to use this as an example. You can obviously, you have your own list, you can do whatever you want on yours, but like I say, when you're signed in, you've got this Create a Broadcast button here on the right hand side. Some people just click it, but it does have a drop down arrow on it suggesting that there is other options for you. So what you do have is you've got a drag and drop email builder, and you've also got a plain text message, which is probably the most common one that's used, and you've also got a code your own HTML option as well, and a previous messenger editor, which is the old style editor that AWeber used to use. You can go back and use that one as well. Now, the one that I used was a drag and drop email builder. I didn't code it from HTML, but it's basically it looks really professional in the sense that using this drag and drop option here. Now, this does have a load of built-in features as well. I'm just going to run through some of those quickly with you when I do that. So I'm going to open that in a new tab, and in this one I'm going to show you the plain text option here as well. Okay, so this is the plain text one. Now this is what you might be sort of used to seeing if you just use plain text style messages. Obviously you've got your subject line, and then you've just got an area just to type your random message, or in most cases copy and paste from somebody else's page if you're running an affiliate style promotion. Okay, and that is the only option that you have. Okay, so there's no ability to put anything fancy or anything custom in there other than just text. Okay, so that is what most people use, but I've started to use this drag and drop builder. Okay, so you can see we're on the design page now. We've still got the subject line, but what we're able to do is to, if I just remove this element here, we've got a blank canvas, if you like, and we can add in some, pretty much whatever we want in here. We can add video to the message, images, coupons, social media links, logos, dividers, social share options. It's pretty neat what you can do on here. So you just literally drag it, the element onto the page, and then let it go, and then you can edit each of these elements by selecting images from their image gallery, because they've got lots of sort of pictures added in already. I'm just going to use this picture of a dog at the top of my email. You know, and you can put a headline above it. We just close that element, drag a headline in, and you can swap these around as well, even once you put them in. You can put in, let's say, whatever you want. You can even do some customizing of this by centralizing the text. You can change the font color, bold, italic, underline, strike through, loads of different things on here. Change the font to some of the preset fonts you've got here. Obviously depends on what you're whatever you want to do with it. Basically you've kind of got free reins. And another cool thing I liked about this is that you can actually, if you wanted to divide up your content, then you're able to add in, you can split the content up so that you can add in multiple areas, if you like, of elements in here. See if I can move that into that box there. And you can basically have your emails go quite wide, and you're able to resize them and things as well. There's loads and loads of things that you can do just to align different things and so on. But you can add videos. If you want to add the video in here, you can put the URL of the video. So if you're hosting it, you can put that URL in there. If it's a video on YouTube, again, you can put the video URL in here. Put the video title. And even if somebody clicks on it, you could put a destination URL in that element as well, which obviously takes them through to whatever that video is. There's just so many things on here. Say social media buttons, and these are all configured so they can share the content, they can tweet your content, tweet your message. Buttons, I've seen a lot of people using buttons at the moment, so you can use various style buttons, and you can change the color, where the button sits. You change the title text on the button as well. So like I said, lots of different options that you've got. And again, like I say, change the URL to where that button goes, and just have fun with it. Now, that's obviously if you're creating your own style forms. Obviously, I've just chucked that together. It doesn't look the best, but so you've got lots of options for what you can do. Now, if you don't want to use any of these options here, then what you can do is you can actually go and use the pre-created template forms, if you like, that AWeber have in their basically in their library or their archive, if you like. So you can go and click on a template, and this will load up some templates that AWeber themselves have. So you can use various ones that you might be able to adjust and tweak to fit your style of message, and there are literally, I'm going to hazard a guess and say there's probably a few hundred different ones on here that you could sort of reuse and do what you want with to make your messages. Like I say, it's all about standing out and being different from your audience, from your competitors. So we just change that one. Let's say if I pick this one here and I go for like a bluey coloured theme, and so you can just add in some various options here. So again, use the style that they've got, add your paragraph or your text in, add an image, and again you can pick from images that are already on. So we just see if I can pick that back to a thumbnail. All depends on what you want to use. Like I say, don't be afraid to go and try this out. Like I say, I was amazed at how many responses I had to this email that I sent out from people who were asking questions about how I created these forms. So there's definitely an interest out there for people. So I say, go out there, try it, have fun with it, and just see how much of a difference it makes to how many people click through your emails, how many people are opening your emails still. I mean, your open rate probably won't change initially, because people are still seeing the email from you, and they don't know what's inside that email until they open it. So when they do, compare and see how your new style emails compare to your old style emails, because I generally get responses from my emails that I send out anyways, but this one was a little bit different. I had lots more in-depth feedback about the style of the message, and obviously there was an interest in general about how I created these forms, because my guess is that people didn't know that they were able to do this. So maybe I've just highlighted something to you watching this video now, that you know that this option is there for you to be able to use to create some custom style messages that you can use, like I say, for your own business. So good luck with it. Let me know how you get on. Like I say, leave your comments and things below this video, and I'll personally respond. So yeah, look forward to seeing what you have to say about this video. And like I say, any questions, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye for now.